I'm Ron Warner, a psychologist, and I'm the director of the Solution Focused Counseling Program here at the University of Toronto. It's a very different approach. It's based on strengths and resources and clients' needs. Things happen very, very differently.
You can bring a client to such a positive place within even just one session. You can notice change and progress so much faster.
And it's so much deeper, and it shows his competencies. It would show him all the strengths that he had, and I just went, wow, it's amazing. So when I look at things, I go much deeper in all my conversations.
And I feel very good about it.
Really enjoyed this program. I actually fell in love with it when I looked at the course catalog for continuing education.
It's an attempt to think outside the box and move ahead. And amazing things happen when you do this. People come up with ideas that they had never thought about before.
It just blows me away. That's what I find with the method. It really is
Powerful is probably the most strongest word I can use for this.
You're focusing mostly on what the client wants to be there for. So that's very empowering.
We're very careful. We use the client's language.
I do enjoy the use of the language. I can see how empowering it is for the individual.
I said, well, actually, I'm just finishing a solution-focused brief therapist course, and she's, oh my goodness.
Training, writing, supervision, all these different
presentations.
And I think that solution-focused ideas just is something that really kind of connected the two of us together.
Because it's such a positive experience. It gives me permission to try new things, and I'm comfortable. I know I won't be judged by it.
It's a really welcoming environment. Everyone's really supportive of everyone else's learning, and so it always feels safe. It always feels like an environment where you can ask questions and try things out. And
I love the fact that it's focused on hope, that you look towards the future, not at the past, but what your preferred hope is for the future.
I just really love how it instills hope in the clients, and I'm a big believer in hope.
So that it really connected us, and we continue on that journey of exploring and learning and teaching and training.
Answers. The client comes up with faster solutions. It's a miracle as how to work.
If you focus on the positive, not only you give the client hope for the future, but also generally helps the client to realize that they have their own strengths and resources to solve certain issues.
This is a radically different approach. It's an approach which focuses on strengths and resources, not problems and defects.
The instructors are very supportive in terms of encouraging us along the way.
Not only the camaraderie and support from the professors and the colleagues, but the ability to actually practice the work.
Not only encourages the clients, it encourages me.
It gives them a sense of hope, and I think we all talked about that. Hope, it's a very hopeful technique.
But just allowing and understanding that the client knows it best, allowing them to lead and also to work with what they have given you.
I have more confidence that it'll actually help them.
Feedback was tremendous.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And for us, what stands out is it's a lot of fun. So we're having fun doing it, and the students are having fun doing it.
It has an awful lot of fun associated with it. It's amazing. You can be talking about difficult things, but there's positiveness because everybody has inner resources to deal with their problems.
And I would definitely suggest that as many people as possible in the field, the helping profession, really take a look at this approach.
Take a look at it, come in and see, do some reading on lots of stuff on solution-focused brief therapy. It changes people's lives. It brings about a transformation.